Sri P. Ravinder Babu.
Sir, good evening, sir. Thanks for giving this opportunity, sir. On behalf of Telangana Party, I fully support this amendment. Sir, but only thing is I have small doubts. The Commerce Ministry may like to clarify. There is a tendency on every part of the state these days to ban the alcohol because the spurious alcohol mixed with methyl alcohol consumed and people are dying in large number. Even on day for yesterday in Andhra Pradesh, there is a big tragedy. So every time we hear, in order to give effect to the Supreme Court judgment or Law Commission judgment, Law Commission observations, we always make a legislation here. Why not we make a legislation by our own self, suo moto? Instead of giving effect to the Supreme Court judgments and make it as Supreme Court is dictating us and we are running the administration as per the Supreme Court directions, let us get the impression that the Lok Sabha is supreme. Let us make a law. I'm not saying not to be in conformity with any law of the land or Supreme Court judgments and directions. That's fine. That way we can take as a persuasive value or something, some advisory in nature. But publicly saying that to give effect to the Supreme Court judgment, we are passing this amendment. Is it correct to cherish in a parliamentary democracy where the people are supreme? Should we give this importance to judiciary or should we give importance to the people of the country? Yes, they should have the correct free will to do whatever they like. Yes. Instead of mentioning it to give effect to the Supreme Court judgment, we can as well say the people of India with desires to have this amendment or desires to have this type of amendments in the bill and all. Next things are alcohol. Whenever you talk about alcohol, as I said, spurious. Now, in the GST coming bill, there is a lot of talk about whether this alcohol should be part of state GST, central GST or IGST, something like that. So this has been already taken care of by putting it in a, not in the state GST, that means it goes to central GST. I don't know what type of benefits the state government will get when the taxes are not being levied and allowed to be collected from the state government, accepting some licenses having in these manufacturing units. Another thing, sir, we have a lot of pollution problems in the country presently faced by the petrol and diesel emissions and other things. Therefore, there is a proposal in all over the India, all over the world, almost 20 to 30% alcohol is being mixed with the petrol, so that the emissions will be almost zero. Pollution is also very zero. There is a strong proposal from the Minister of Petrol and Natural Gas to allow the alcohol to be mixed with the petrol, and please give us the quota more alcohol to be allotted to the petrol so that the emissions will be low. And also it gives a great relief to the sugar growing farmers. Sugar growing farmers are always at the mercy of the buyers of the sugar industry, sugar and lobbies and other things. Instead of doing like that, if the farmers are given a freedom to sell their alcohol products or whatever the molasses and other things to these manufacturers of petroleum and diesel or the refineries, it will also go a long way in addressing the not only ecological, not only the emission problems and other things, it will also take care of the lot of farmers' problems also. Since alcohol topic has come, it has reminded me that alcohol also should be a part of the, a compulsory part of mixing with the petrol and diesel, so that the emissions also will come down. And lastly, and but not least, my request always would be, as usually, let us give an impression to our countrymen that the will of the people, Lok Sabha is supreme than anything in the India, because we are again writing in the Amendment Act that in order to give effect to the Supreme Court judgment, if that is not there, we would have at least most relished that we are having independent application of mind, that we can also take amendment independent of any judiciary. Thank you, sir.
Dr. Manoj Tajoria.